just to add festive on festive, I've asked 2 musical guests to join us today to kick off demo day. And we can see Alpha Gold, a super group that's created from Ashley Gold, a musical luminary in Minneapolis, where I'm located. And another luminary, Mickey Alfano, who is frontman of Night Moves, and I'll link to their work in the chat. Mickey and Ashley have been listening to me rave about Glide, and they agreed to write an original song. So let's welcome them.
Excited to perform for you.
A beautiful spreadsheet on your phone. Understand data when you're all alone. You can scroll faster than before. Wasn't latency such a bore? Easy fun for everyone. Curious, creative, very innovative. Easy fun for everyone. Curious, creative, very innovative. Glide, glide, baby. Now is the time. Glide, glide. Sonification while uploading. That's sweet singing. That's Glide Radio. Earth needs more software developers. Designing the apps that make life easier. It's easy, fun for everyone. Curious, creative, very innovative. Easy, fun for everyone. Curious, creative, very innovative. Glide, glide, baby. Now is the time. Glide, glide. Build it, break it, make it better. Ship it, share it, smooth like leather. Build it, break it, make it better. Ship it, share it, smooth like leather. Build it, break it, make it better. Ship it, share it, smooth like leather. We got to glide, glide, baby. Now is the time. Glide, glide. We gotta glide, glide, baby. Now is the time. Glide, glide.
Keep it up.
Woo.
So good.
Thank you.
Amazing.
Thank you.
Thank you, Mickey and Ashley.
Love you.
Just in case it wasn't recorded on the Zoom call, or on the recording, in case it doesn't show up because of how it picks who to show, there's about 25 people on the call and everyone was smiling and dancing and laughing. So that was a very joyful moment. Thank you.